Now you have your new upgraded lenses from the Sunglass Fix, it's time to install them into your 1-zipper frames. It's pretty easy to do, but it might take a bit of jiggling and pressure to remove the lenses. Let's start by removing your scratch lenses. Turn the frames away from you as the lenses always click out through the front of the sunglasses. It might help to identify the weak spot of your frames, which is normally the thinnest part of the frame. Begin by pinching the bottom of the frame, or from the weak spot, gently pulling it away from the lens, while simultaneously applying pressure to the lens with the other hand so the lens comes out the front of the frames. Don't be afraid to use some pressure, and it should pop right out. It can take a few goes, so don't give up. If you're still struggling, it can help to put the sunglasses in warm water, not boiling, for 30 seconds. Now we've got the old lenses out, let's get the new ones in. Turn the lenses to face you, as they are being inserted from the front. Line up the edge of the lenses with the frame, inserting the lenses in on the arm side first. Then use your thumb to work the lens into the nose area, and gently pinch any remaining portion of the lens to secure it to the frame. You will hear a clicking sound. Once you hear that, your lenses should be in place. One final safety check, visually inspect and move your fingers around the rim of the frame to ensure the lenses are completely in the rim before wearing them. Finally, give your lenses a clean and enjoy seeing clearly again.